Hello, sir. My name is Naufal Syuhur. Uh, right now, I will be presenting a review about a very useful software. It's called SAM. I choose this app because it is a simple, powerful tool that helps me develop and test websites locally without needing an internet connection. Okay, for the next slide, the list of content of this presentation is number one is the overview. Number two is a key function. Number three, advantage. Number four is my personal use. Number five is conclusion. Number six is recommendation. And the last one is reference. Okay, we move to the next slide. So the overview of this application is SAM is a free and open source cross platform. It's a web server solution stack package developed by Apache Friends. It mainly consists of the Apache HTTP server, the MariaDB database, and interpreters for script written in PHP and Perl programming language. So SAM is designed to be easy install and use, which makes it perfect for beginner and experienced developers who want to set up a local web development environment quickly. It provides all the tools needed to simulate a live web server, allowing users to test dynamic websites and database-driven application without having to upload files to an external server. So thanks to cross-platform compatibility, SAM runs smoothly on Windows, Linux, and macOS. Okay, the next slide is the key function of this application. First, SAM installs several crucial components like Apache Server, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. The Apache Server to handle Webpack requests, the MariaDB database system for data storage, and the interpreter for PHP and Perl, which are essential for dynamic web application development. The second, it creates a complete local server environment. With SAM, you can simulate a real web server directly on your personal computer, enabling you to build and test your website without needing an internet connection or a hosting service. The third, it is extremely useful for website testing and development. Before launching a website live, you can develop and test it truly on your local server. This helps you catch and fix error early and ensure a smoother deployment process. Okay, so the last one is SAM includes PHPMyAdmin. So PHPMyAdmin is a powerful and user-friendly web application for managing MariaDB database. With PHPMyAdmin, you can easily create, edit, delete, and manage database through a simple graphical interface without writing complex SQL commands manually. The next slide is advantage to using this app or advantage of this app is the first, it is free and open source. This means anyone can download and use it without paying, and even access is a shortcut to modify if it needed. The second one is SAM offers easy and fast installation. Setting up a complete server environment manually can be complicated, but SAM bundles everything into one single package and install it quickly. The third, it is cross-platform. Like I said before, SAM runs smoothly on Windows, Linux, and macOS, giving flexibility to developers who work on different systems. The fourth, all components are pre-configured. So you don't need to manually configure Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl after installation, which saves a lot of time and reduce errors. The last is it is great for learning web and development offline. You can practice coding, building websites, and managing database even without an internet connection, making it a perfect tool for students and beginners. Okay. The next slide is disadvantage of this app is first, it is not suitable for production server. Why? Because SAM is designed mainly for development and testing purpose. it lacks some of the advanced security configuration needed for hosting live websites on the internet. The second is there are potential security risks if SAM is used online. Since it is pre-configured of ease of use, it does not have too strong security setting by default, making it vulnerable if exposed to the internet. The last one is SAM can be heavy on system resource. Running Apache, MariaDB, and other service simultaneously can consume a significant amount of memory and CPU, which may slow down your computer, especially if it is lower spec. Okay, next one is my personal use to use this application is first, I use SAM for creating a local website. It allows me to build and run website directly on my laptop without needing any hosting service. This makes it very convenient for initial development and testing. The second, I use it for testing PHP code. SAM provides the PHP interpreter so I can write, run, and debug PHP script easily in a real software environment. Sorry, the third, I use PHP MyAdmin within SAM to manage my database. I can create table, insert data, and run SQL query very quickly using its simple web interface. The last, I mainly use SAM for testing development. So I use SAM for development only, and for production I use the real server. The next slide is conclusion and recommendation. The first, SAM is a great tool for students and developers. It provides all the essential services needed for web development, such as a web server, a database system, and interpreter for scripting language, all in one in simple package. The second, I highly recommend SAM for anyone learning web development, whether you are a beginner starting to build your first website or an advanced user who want a quick setup for testing project. SAM offers an easy and reliable environment to practice and develop skills without requiring complex configuration or expensive server setups. Okay, so I put the link to download the SAM from their official websites at apachefriends.org. So I hope this presentation has given you a clear understanding of how useful SAM can be your project and learning journey. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you all the best in your future development experience. Thank you.